Hi, I'm Stephanie Razzo.
Nature Sketch Crate makes creating beautiful nature art as easy as an adult coloring book, with simple step-by-step printed and video instructions instructed by award-winning science illustrator Stephanie Razzo. Just use the transfer paper and transfer drawing to create an outline on the watercolor paper, fill it in with a few layers of watercolor paint, and finish it with ink lines. Nature Sketch Crate's low-key lessons, fail-proof technique welcomes mistakes, which helps students to create beautiful, unique art. Plus, applied sketching lessons are included to help students to grow their skills and learn to paint on their own. Most art classes only address how to create art or how to copy someone else's. Nature Sketch Crate provides students with an easy way to start painting nature and connect with it by teaching them more about it and providing them with simple steps to help it too. Nature Sketch Crate makes art and nature accessible for a large range of age groups, 7 years old to 87 years old. Nature Sketch Crate can help kids build focus and confidence in artistic skills, help moms relax, is fun for date nights, is fun for family nights, and is a great activity for retirees. New lessons, including one animal subject and one plant subject, are shipped out monthly. Check out naturesketchcrate.com to learn more and shop for lesson crates.